I'm just about to record for you a very short summary of our beginner's solo ballroom tango, and this is practice routine number 4. I've just taught this class this morning, so it is Tuesday the 10th of May 2022. If you're looking for the 45-minute class which ended with this routine, you're looking for the 10th of May 22 in my full video library. I'm going to turn around and make a little start. We started with followers timing, and we were doing steps that were very, very true to what we would do in the ballroom. Okay, so let's start on the left-hand side of our space. With our right foot, we had walk, walk, and we had our little progressive link to a promenade point. I'll go through the timing in a second. I then did a closed promenade, walking across, and then I did a Spanish drag, close the leg, to another promenade point. I then used the rocks that would normally be the end of the natural rock turn, rock, rock, shift, and then I did a reverse quartet, which for the followers timing is actually forwards. Now I appreciate I'm right over in the corner, forwards and together. I'm going to just reduce the size of my steps so you can see that. Here, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 slow and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We then held the next few beats of the bar until we were back on the 1 count of the next bar of 8. We're only there for a few seconds. And then we changed to do that all again from right to left on the leader's timing. Okay, so 2 walks, progressive link to a promenade point, closed promenade, do your Spanish drag, finish in the promenade point, rocking, but we're in a slight promenade position, but we use the rocking to come back to the normal position, and then the back quartet. So the little bit of artistic license there. At the end, the rock turn either on this side to the reverse quartet, or on this side here to the reverse quartet. I was in a promenade point position. Okay, so just be aware, in the ballroom, I would not have gone to that promenade point and then gone straight to where here and then rotated here. Okay, so the slight artistic license is on the body position. Okay, let me do the whole thing from left to right, right to left. As you know, I can't do it with the music because of YouTube music restrictions, so I'll count out for you. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, 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 and slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Compose yourself. Now for the leaders. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, 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 and slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. There you go, guys. Very short summary of that. Quite often in our beginners solo, I put a little pattern together and I use a lot of artistic license to take steps from the ballroom, change them up to be living room friendly, and there's a little bit of variation. They wouldn't be exactly how we do in the ballroom. So this routine today was much, much more true, and that's why we did followers from left to right, leaders from right to left, and trying to practice steps as true to what they could be in the ballroom. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, full classes are in my video library. If you're watching this on YouTube, all the links are in the description below. If you're watching this in my own video library in my website, thank you so much. And head on to the short summary if you need to. If not, move on to the next video. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.